to the very loud test video of JTL Powersports 2010 Triumph Street Triple 675. Apologize in advance, guys. I had to start this one. It was just giving me a fit. You can see the jump boxes right there. Motor is nice and cold though. Not trying to pull one on you. She's cool. Let's see if I can get the mileage back up on this thing. It's been a pain in the butt here today. Come on, leave me alone. $38,566 miles. Figured it out there. 2010 model. Here, I'll move it and wheel it out of the way here so we can look at it. Took a nice low side here. Really did not damage much, mainly cosmetic. Right headlight is, I mean, it's still a headlight, it's just dented. And the front fender got broken, some scuffage here. So we've got a lot of good parts left on this thing. Motor will be sold complete. As you guys can hear there, it is running great. Looks like it's got a rear fender eliminator on it. We're gonna figure out what brand that is. Stock exhaust, extremely dirty. It's cold here and I don't have running water at the moment, so I was not able to wash this one. Let's go ahead and test some parts though. You guys see the headlights are working. High beam as well. Test this switch. That's all working. Obviously don't want to test that one. We'll do that last. Let's take a listen to that motor though. Man, this is probably the coolest sounding bike I've ever owned or parted out. Very, very wicked. Let it run here for a second so you guys can hear it. Hey Eric, I'm gonna show him what the clutch engages and she moves. Take this real quick. All right. First, let's do a little mini burnout. Alright, time to test that kill switch. It works. I really don't want to perk this thing, guys. I really enjoy this motorcycle. Oh, yeah, you can hold it. Okay. All right, guys. Well, let me get situated here. That's going to wrap it up, though, for our 2010 Triumph Street Triple R 675. This thing is a mouthful to say. A lot of good parts on this thing. We'll have a key set, engine computer. Really, everything works on this, as you guys saw. So, we're basically going to be selling everything other than the front fender. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, we'll leave a link in the description down below to our website and our eBay store. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. You're the man.